Difference between speak and talk. Speak and talk both mean to use words to communicate, but they are used slightly differently depending on tone, formality, and context. Speak is often considered more formal and is used in official, serious, or structured situations. For example, she will speak at the conference. May I speak to the manager? It's also commonly used when referring to languages. I speak English and Hindi. Talk is more casual and conversational. It's used in informal settings or when two or more people are having a back and forth discussion. For example, let's talk about your plans. They talked for hours last night. In summary, speak equals formal, one way, or public communication, speak a language, speak in a meeting. Talk equals informal, two-way communication, talk to friends, talk over coffee. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.